I'm Riddhi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. I'm so glad that you're here on my channel. So today's video is basically a mini haul video, my birthday haul video to be specific. So I wanted to share with you guys all the stuff that I got for myself and all the gifts that I received from my loved ones. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So I've divided everything in three categories. The first one being the stuff that I got for myself. Secondly, the stuff that I received from my friends. And thirdly, but yeah, thirdly, the stuff that I received from my family. So I have everything dumped right here. यहाँ पे मैंने सब कुछ dump करके रखा है so that I don't miss out on anything. Let's begin with the stuff that I got for myself. First up, we have this H&M's cute little t-shirt dress that I got from Myntra. So ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. It's from H&M's basic collection and it's purple. So I really wanted something purple in my closet for a very long time. Purple ना बहुत in है right now in fashion, so I wanted to get this desperately. Now speaking about the material is quite soft. I really like it. It's super easy, super comfy, and super casual to wear. So I really like it. And the best part is when you buy something basic, you can style it up in so many ways. Like उसका तो कोई limit ही नहीं है. So if you want to check how I styled these, like all the 4 looks, then head on to my Instagram. I think मैंने IGTV डाला है या reels डाले हैं वो मुझे भी याद नहीं है. But just head on to my Instagram and just check it out. Moving on, the second thing that I got for myself are these cute little storage containers. Look at it, how cute, right? So इसमें ना ऐसी वाली actually 2 containers आती हैं. So मेरी एक container already I'm using for my loose powder. The second one is here, which has castor oil in it. So I use it every single night on my eyebrows. I apply it every night. The next thing in the package are these 3 little cute bottles. So the first one comes with this pump right here, ऐसा. So you can use this one for your body lotions or any kind of lotions, like the thick creamy lotions. The next we have this spray bottle, so you can use this for your mists or your setting spray or whatever. The third one comes up with this lock. I don't know बाकी सारे क्यों नहीं आते. अच्छा हाँ, because ऐसे bottle में और ये ऐसा थोड़ा elevated pump है. So yeah, so you get this lock thingy with it. So whenever you want to use it, just take it out. Whenever you're done using it and you want to lock it, put it back. So I think this bottle is quite good for your foundations and for your hand wash or for your face wash. So you just have to take it out, just take a pump and then you're ready. These are quite travel friendly also है ना, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया यार ये. इसका quality is also quite good. I'm gonna link इसका link like the Amazon link below, so do check it out. Moving on, the third thing that I got for myself is these headphones. So this is from Realme Buds to feel the real bass, because you know I'm all about the bass. Zip it up, zip it. Copyright issues हो जाएंगे. So this was initially priced for $7.99, but I got this for around $2.99 or $3.99. I don't remember. So I'm also going to link this below. I hope it's still available. So मैंने तो ये पहले ही खोल दिया था, but I'm again opening it for you guys. So once you open, you get this thingy to just pull it out easily, quite easily. So so when you actually get it, it comes here. But right now मैंने इसमें ऐसे ही डाल दिया because I already have started using this and I'm totally in love with this. Also, the best part about this is it's yellow. Like it has teeny tiny yellow touch to it, so I like it and it's quite good. It's really good. I don't know how to give a tech review, but it's really good. Take my word. Moving on, the next thing that I got. Okay, I'm done with the things that I got for myself. Now moving on to the things that my friends got for me. So the first thing that my friends got for me is this. It's from evostylish.com. I think it's an Instagram store. So yeah, So these two are the earrings. I really love this one, but yeah, because my friends know that I really love yellow, they also got me this. These are like tassels. I'm gonna open and show you guys.
So let's open the yellow one first because let's build up the curiosity for this one. So yeah, how do you open this up? मैंने अभी तक ये खोला भी नहीं, can you imagine? Like so excited. खुल जा. Okay.
This is how it looks. See, you see? How cute! How cute! We'll wear this right now. Can you see? How cute is this? I really love this, and the quality is also quite good. So I might just link their Instagram shop below. So do check it out. Now moving on to the next thing. The most awaited one, which is these ones, these colorful ones. I'm opening this for the first time, so look how cute and how pretty is this one. I'm gonna wear this also just to give you a rare comparison of how big these are. And it's quite heavy, huh? It's not like those sasta earrings, huh? This is quite heavy. I can feel it already. See, oh my god. This is so heavy, but this is so pretty. Can you see? I don't even know that if my camera is doing justice to this, but I absolutely love this one so much. I can't even. The next thing that my friends got me
is I'm so excited for this one as well. But yeah, okay, let me just move this kachara down there.
So first up we have this cute little bottle. I think it's from Miniso. I'm not sure if it's from Miniso or where. But yeah, this is the bottle. This is the glass bottle. I really like glass and ceramic things. So look how smart and how sleek this is, right? And it also comes with this hot resistant clay pouch or something. I don't know what you call this. But it's so cozy and so cool. I mean, I love this so much कि मैं ना इतनी डर रही हूँ ना मुझे use भी नहीं करना है ये. I'm that scared of using it that I might spoil it. So yeah, but the only thing that I don't like is the plastic wraps. The next thing that I got is this cute little panda mug that I really love. I love this so much. Look at the lid. It's like a cap. And it's like this. It's hollow. It's so cute. And it's white. It's so cute. I really love this. And it's quite sturdy. It's quite good quality. So yeah. See, here it is. So yeah, I don't want to break it, but yeah. And it says home here. It's so cute. The tail is supposed to be the handle of the mug. I'm so loving this right now. I can't even tell you guys. I so love this. So the next thing that I got is from my best friend's mom. So shout out to you, Sanju auntie. Thank you so much for the gift. But this is it. It's so big. I can't even. So let's open and see what this is. I think कुछ लोगों को तो आइडिया आ ही गया होगा ये क्या है, but जिनको नहीं आया है, I am so happy that I received this. This is the most thoughtful, the most useful gift ever. So yeah, because मैंने वो खोल दिया था already, तो Amazon का gift wrapping obviously box के अंदर था, but yeah, this is. So happy. So this is basically a tripod, you guys. So जिनको नहीं पता मैं बता दूँ, मैं बिना ट्राइपॉड के आज तक शूटिंग कर रही थी. बिना ट्राइपॉड के मैंने IGTV वीडियोस बनाए हैं. बिना ट्राइपॉड के, बिना लाइटिंग के मैंने YouTube वीडियोस बनाने स्टार्ट किए हैं. I'm gonna insert a link how I actually used to shoot my videos somewhere here. You might be seeing it right now. So this is very 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 dear to me because firstly मैं ना ये बहुत टाइम से चाहती थी, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से चाहती थी. I've been eyeing on this for a quite long time now, and it's from Amazon and it's their Amazon Basics range. So this is the tripod. comes with this, and then you can extend. I think it's the 50-inch wala, so you can extend it however long you want. It's posted. Camera ke bahar ja raha hai mera ye, but yeah, it's quite sturdy. Also, I've already started using this, so I know. So I really am grateful and thankful that she got this for me. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Sanju auntie. Also, a huge shout out to her because she runs a parlor, a beauty parlor in Navi Mumbai. So if you are from Navi Mumbai, it's called Luster Beauty Salon. So please do go and give it a try. So now the last thing, but definitely not the least thing that I received from a family member are these very important, very useful again, and very like most awaited gift of this year for me. So it's wait. It's this ring light. So जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, मैंने आज तक जितने भी YouTube वीडियोस, जितने भी IGTV, जितने भी रील्स जो भी शूट किए हैं वो सारे विदाउट रिंग लाइट शूट किए हैं. So I was quite happy and quite excited that I got this, and this was actually a surprise. I was just saying ki this is from my brother, so thank you Dilip bhai for gifting me this. And I was just randomly talking to him one day. He, you know, how some नीचे गिर रहा है. But yeah, I was just talking to him randomly one day that how other people and all my friends have ring lights and that they're doing so well and their videos and everything looks so professional. So I also wanted to invest in something good, and I also wanted to put my best work online. So I think ये मेरे बर्थडे के पहले ही आ गया था, but I was so excited. I was so excited to try it out. So it comes with this pack. इसके अंदर obviously भी ring light है because मैं भी use कर रही हूँ वो ring light. और so the company का name is Digitech. As you can see here, it's Digitech's LED ring light DRL18H. I don't know what it means. I think the diameter is 18 inches. That's why it's written 18H. I'm not sure. The best thing, I mean, like मैंने इतने सारे ring lights market में try किए हैं, online try किए हैं, देखने के compare करने के लिए. The only thing that I really like about this one is it comes with intensity control, color temperature control, and a power button. So basically, what intensity control means कि आपको कितना bright चाहिए आपका video, कितना dim चाहिए आपका video. You can figure out that. You can also manually change the color temperature in this. So do you want it warm, or do you want it natural, or do you want it cool? So you can play around with that. And it also comes with a power button. I am not sure कि इसमें इतना बड़ा feature क्या है that it comes with a power button. I'm not sure about it, लेकिन यहाँ पे mention किया it comes also with a power button. Like, good. Thank you. And also the good thing about this is you can either, I don't know if you can see, but you can यहाँ पे ना ऐसे batteries के लिए slots दिए गए हैं. So either you can use it on battery if you're using it outdoors, or you can also use it via wire cable. So you can just plug it in here. यहाँ पे एक socket है. यहाँ पे you just have to plug this in with your cable, and you're ready to go. So I think it's the best gift ever. Like the tripod and the ring light. The tripod is basically for my outdoor shoots, जहाँ पे I can just mount my phone and just use it for my shoots or outdoor vlogs or whatever. And the ring light, I can also take it out. The only thing is the ring light के साथ में I also got one more thing, which is this. Wait, I got this. So it's a light stand. It's from the company called Simpex Mark III with Italian lock, premium light stand. So I thought ये बहुत सस्ता हो, मतलब बहुत वो ऐसे एकदम फ्लिमजी से सस्ते से लाइट स्टैंड्स आते हैं वैसा होगा. But I kid you not, you guys, I'm telling you, this is the best light stand ever. Like it's so sturdy, थोड़ा heavy है, लेकिन it's so sturdy, it's so good. Like कुछ भी हो जाए वो हिलेगा ही नहीं. And the best thing is it's कुछ 70 inches तक का, like it expands till 70 inches. So that's the best thing about this. And the locking system is also very good. Now if you want to compare the two, you might be thinking कि अरे if you already got the tripod, why do you want the light stand? So I'm going to give you a small insight here. So the tripod is basically where you can use your phone directly. with you just have to mount इसके ऊपर like you get this thing where I'll show you. It's like this, ठीक है? You can rotate this however you want. So basically, you just have to mount your phone on this. You have to get another phone holder. It comes इतना छोटा सा, you'll get it on Amazon. You just have to mount it here, and then you just have to move. ऐसे wherever you want to just move it, ठीक है? So your phone is movable. Now you can't really attach your ring light on your tripod. For that, you'll obviously have to get a light stand, because light stand you don't get this thing. You obviously get the mount with it, but then you have to mount it on the ring light, not on the stand. Okay, so the stand is only for the ring to just go inside and the stand to hold it. So when you actually want to shoot something professional, this is the entire setup that you want. I'm gonna insert a clip here so that you have a better idea कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. लेकिन so that is how it is. So you really can't compare the two because ये दोनों बहुत different purposes के लिए बने हैं. So yeah, so that's it for my mini birthday haul plus equipments video. I hope you guys found it interesting and that it was helpful in some way or the other. For the next video, I'm planning on doing a Q&A or a small get to know me tag video. So feel free to ask me any questions down below. As always, please like, comment and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you super soon. Bye!